Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I wanted to give you an update for 26th of January 2026. Okay. If you notice on Bitcoin chart, okay, I think I was doing analysis on 5 minutes or 1 hour. Yeah, I think I was doing the analysis on 1 hour. So if you remember, I said that um, if we don't do this, you know. Like that, then the market is going to come down like that, and it's going to probably make an LPSY. Okay. And if you see, that's what happened, right? So it made LPSY and then it came down. And I was seeing when this trend line hits around there, okay. Um, I think at that time I was like plotting, like approximating this one. That's why that's why I coded this, so that like you don't need to approximate, like you don't need to draw an approximate line. Um, when doing this analysis. So I said uh, we're gonna see some spring kind of action, and that's what we see here. You know, and if you see where it happened on the distribution structure, it happened around this trend line, right? And on the accumulation, it happened when this trend line hit this one. So basically, that's what I was trying to tell you guys. Like trend line tells you time. Okay, so as you see this like uh, buyers energy line, it was coming up from here. Okay, and as soon as it hit, right, there was a lot of stop hunting, and RSI was also at the low end. You can see the trend line also hit for the RSI, right? So this was a really good trade to take. And if I go to 15 minutes time frame, we can see it more clearly what's going on there. You see, try to make a spring, but then came down, right? It made another spring. This spring was successful, right? And then LPS, then backing up action, and you can see like it went up. Okay, now it's coming down because the resistance got hit. You see, it's making breaking down action here plus upthrust. You know, so that was like a really good trade to take, short trade. Okay, as you can see here as well. Well, this is on 5 minutes, and you see it made backing up action, and then it went on to the first target, and then as it was trying to go up, uh, it actually did upthrust after distribution and made a pullback around here on this trend line. So from this point, it can go up. It's just the wave needs to close with good volume. Okay. Um, let's talk about gold. What's going on there? So this is gold on 5 minutes. I'll just go to 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes. Yeah. So on the gold, we had like LPS here, upthrust coming down, LPS, it tries to go up. So I mean, gold is still bullish. What I'll be doing is if we come back around here, and as we break this trend line, then I'll enter the trade like that. Okay. And I can show it to you on 5 minutes. So see here, it's like the resistance is there. Okay. So that's why like market came down as it pulls back around here and this trend line hits, you know, after breaking above the descending trend line, we can enter long. And I'm going to be taking live trade. I think from February, starting from February, I'm going to be doing live trading in the evening. Okay, for um, yeah, I think I'll do it. Okay, let me see. Hmm. Around 6 p.m. I'll start, and then around 7:30 I'll complete the live streaming. Um, so yeah, like I'm gonna trade for like 1.5 hour. Yeah. So I'll be showing you like live trades that I'm taking. Whether it turns out to be winning trade, losing trade, it doesn't matter. I'm actually doing it to practice my own trading skill with the indicator that I built. Okay, and basically the premise of um, that exercise is to show you that we can actually make money with it. Okay. Um, so yeah, that's all I gotta say. Um, yeah, I mean, I might trade it with like 1 minute time frame as well. Let's see, because like it's easier to find trade opportunity in 1 hour time frame, 1 minute time frame. Okay, so yeah, just wanted to like let you guys know. Ethereum made breaking down action, came down, backing up action. So it might go up, from here. But I think uh, the best trade that I've seen it works on is like whenever market hits the ascending trend line, that's an opportunity to buy. Okay, and whenever market hits a descending trend line while making lower high, lower lows, that's your signal to sell. Okay, so yeah, keep that in mind. All right, so let me go to 4 hour. Hmm. By the way, we got a couple of signals here. See on the which coin was it? On the Ethereum on 2125. It was giving me backing up action. I think it was around here, I suppose. Yeah. Anyway, um, let me go to Bitcoin. Okay. Okay. So we broke below this trend line. That's a really bad sign. Hmm. I think yeah, I'm expecting much lower prices. If this trend line doesn't hold, market is actually it's gonna come down very fast and like and actually make a backing up action. I think yeah. Hang on. No, yeah. It might make spring here. Yeah. So see this trend line when it hits, it might make a spring there. Okay, around $80,000, which is reasonable to be honest. All right, like that's the first target, by the way. Yeah, yeah, we'll see how it goes. But most of the trading activity that I'm gonna be doing will be on XAU. You know, because it's just going up, and like the analysis that we did, yeah, it was very accurate. So yeah. And by the way, guys, you can actually apply this indicator to any market. As I'll be doing trading with funded account, I'll be applying it. I'll be applying it with Nasdaq, gold futures, even silver as well. Let me see what we get on silver. Yeah. All right. So there was one trade here because it was taking support on trend line. What about 1 hour? Silver also went very high. Well, 1 hour we got backing up action here. I mean, it was 20% increase, man. Well, and how much days? How many days? 4 days. Yeah. Let me see, 15 minutes time frame. We had backing up action here, up thrust, another backing up action. So yeah, I mean, if I had traded today, by the way, I haven't bought the account. That's why I haven't traded it. But yeah, if I had traded today, we would be in good profit. So we'll see, from February starting, I'm gonna be trading every day for 1.5 hour, and we'll monitor the progress together. So it will be awesome. All right, the price is around here. 1 hour, it's actually see it's downtrending. So yeah, and this trend line hits. So whenever, yeah, see here, market went there, and from here it's coming down. So a lot of selling happened, a lot of large volume, you see. Hmm. I mean, it's downtrending for sure. See the volume of this, man, like it's ridiculous. Yeah, this doesn't hold, and when we break below this support, then we need to uh, close the long position and then just take the short. And how it will look like, I think it's gonna do something like this. Okay, and how it goes, yeah. And spring lot buying happened here as well. So if we don't hold this position, then it's just coming down a lot actually. See, in 4 hour it can make an breaking down action from here. And by the way, new 4 hour candle started. So, a lot of selling happened here. The next candle could very well come down a lot, So we'll see how it goes, guys. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.